Hello, I'm Peter Towers, Managing Director of ESS BIZTOOLS. Welcome to Accountants Minute. Accountants, the Personal Property Securities Act and the Personal Property Securities Register can send businesses broke. Have you introduced your clients to a risk management strategy? Do you know that $120 million has been lost already by Australian businesses in court cases relating to the Personal Property Securities Act, primarily because those businesses had not registered their assets on the Personal Property Securities Register? And according to Marketplace Rumour, a further $200 million has been lost by businesses when they finally went and got some legal advice, were told that they had no case and therefore paid up or lost their assets. We believe that accountants, as trusted advisors, have an obligation to counsel and mentor your clients about the very significant risks that they are taking in their businesses if they are ignoring the Personal Property Securities Register. In fact, it's basically the same as having no insurance covers at all. And compared to what an insurance cover costs, this is the cheapest insurance going in Australia. About $5 to register a transaction for up to 7 years. Well, what ESS BIZTOOLS does is supply accountants like you with a due diligence system to assist you in conducting a review with your clients on their preparations for registrations on the Personal Property Securities Register. Because this legislation covers debtors, stock, vehicles, plant and equipment, builders' plants, intellectual property, loans, in fact, every asset that a business has except land and attachments to land. Even terminology being misunderstood can cause massive losses. I'm aware of a situation where over $400,000 was lost by a business because unfortunately someone mixed up the terminology grantor and grantee and put the wrong terminology on the registration process, and the business missed out. The other real risk is liquidators' preferential payment claims letters that I'm told a lot of businesses around Australia are receiving. Most of those businesses could have had protection if they'd registered that customer on the Personal Property Securities Register. In fact, ESS BIZTOOLS due diligence system is the only system of its kind available in Australia to assist accountants and advisors to offer risk management protection to your clients. Why wouldn't you avail yourself of it? For an investment of under $500 for a year, you can use that due diligence system time and time again with different clients. In fact, our recommendation is that you should be conducting a due diligence Personal Property Securities Act and Register review with your clients at least once a year. And that process will take 2 to 3 hours. So you'll be earning professional fees of anywhere from $500 to $1,000 from undertaking the task. But you might be saving your client from going broke. If you would like to read a special paper that we have written on the Personal Property Securities Register, please go to our website www.essbiztools.com.au to register to receive that article. And we have a special webinar on Wednesday the 20th of July at 12 noon Australian Eastern Standard Time on the Personal Property Securities Register. I really invite you to go to our website to register for that webinar. I don't think I would be very happy if a client came to me and said that he had lost $500,000 because stock that he owned had been on consignment in someone else's warehouse and that business had had a liquidator appointed and the liquidator had seized that stock? Would you? Therefore, I urge you to, in the first instance, attend the webinar or go to our website to get more information on the Personal Property Securities Register due diligence system. Goodbye.